The way nursing is structured is that work comes to you. And with what I do, which is help nurses find out how to do senior placement consulting, that same posture stays intact. Right now, people come to you, like I mentioned. Do you have an incoming need? That's the same thing that happens when people need to place mom and dad in a facility because they just can't stay at home anymore. And the problem you have now is that you have no off switch. Work comes in at the rate it comes in at, you have too much responsibility, you have too little control. And what the Nurses Escape Kit, that's our program, what we do is we change that container. You still have the constant demand, but you're allowed to pick and choose about how much work it is you want to do and how many families it is you want to help. You can do full time income on part time work if that's what you're after, or you can do work just as much as you want and make about $6,100. That's the nationwide average per placement. We give you a proprietary marketing system, and you're able to help the families for free because the facilities take care of the invoice. If that's interesting to you, go ahead and check out the channel.